Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, we're learning, and today we're learning about the leaf taco. And I figured this out about 7 years ago. I did a little research. I was bagging leaves all the time. I've got a lot of mature trees on my property, and so I was always bagging leaves, and so I was trying to figure out a way. There's got to be a more efficient way to do it, so I was trying to learn how to do it. And I came across this leaf taco. And it's pretty cool because what's neat about it is it literally stores up this flat. I just stick it behind sheet of plywood I've got over the side of the garage, and it's ready to go. I use it for picking up leaves. I also use it in the spring when I do weeds and stuff, and I'll show you kind of what I do. But it folds out into this, and then to fold it back, you simply twist it, and boom, it folds back up. And it's got a couple of features about it. It's got a little insert here in the front, which makes it a little more stable when you're bagging heavy leaves. And then it's got this adjustable strap here. And the strap simply comes across, and it's got two holes right here you go through, and then it's got different band strap holes that you simply stick this back through and twist. And so then it's locked in for the rest of the day, and it just makes this little kind of taco. And then I get 55-gallon trash bags. I get the big boys. And these also are designed to work if you have the recyclable bags. I know like in Kansas City they do, in other places, to put them out in your trash, you've got to use the recyclable paper bags. They work well with this as well. And so then you simply just insert the taco into the back of it all the way. And now it's basically just a big cornucopia, a big scoop. And so you scoop the leaves up in there. If you're weeding, I'll sit there and I'll be weeding, and I'll just be throwing the weeds in there so I don't have to pick them up. And then simply dump it down, pack the leaves in, and then when you're done, you simply pull the leaf taco out and bag up your leaves, and then when you're ready to put them away, you unsnap it and you're good to go. But it's, I put the link down on Amazon. You can order them. Like I said, they're just really handy to have, and they're easy to store. So pick one up. All right, here we're with what I call the leaf taco. It's a leaf system you can use for landscaping or leaves, but it makes your work a lot easier. Watch this. Folds out.
Boom, baby.
Boom. It's got a strap here that you can adjust to any size. Fold it in. Put your bag on the end. And it's like a big cornucopia.
Oh yeah, girl.
Gonna go to the next file.
Oh gosh. It's a long video.
Stack it up. Push it down. Rack it up, rack it up.
Just like that.
That's it. Here's a closer demonstration of how the strap actually works. As you can see, it's attached here. To unstrap it, I simply pull it out of the hole, the little plastic T, and it's ready to go. To put it back in, I find the hole on the side of the leaf taco, insert it, pull it tight, and there's different adjustable holes, and I find the one that I want. I slide it through and turn it across the hole, and now you can see the plastic T holds it in place. I can't believe Family Leaf Raking Day never became a tradition, but here's the leaf taco and how I've used it for landscaping. But if you'd like to order it, just click in the Amazon link below and go online and order it. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you want to get notifications, just click the little bell button.